Good morning, students. Today we are going to read the chapter Uncle Ken at the Wheel. Okay, here is the Uncle Ken at the wheel. This is the story uh, in which a very old uncle, whose name is Ken, and he was trying to drive a old vintage car. Vintage car, you know na, vintage मतलब very old but respected model of car. ठीक है, these are the vintage cars. Okay, these models are work in pairs. Which of these vintage cars? Pick them. इसमें से बताइए vintage car कौन सा है? ये these are the very old cars that very reputed cars, and these are the vintage cars. ठीक है. Ruskin Bond lives in the in this story we are going to read. Uncle Ken was the grandfather of Ruskin Bond. ठीक है. Ruskin Bond is the writer of this story. Okay, and Ruskin Bond's grandfather wants to earn money for his living. Here, over tiffin, Uncle Ken talked very seriously about the ways and means of earning a living. ठीक है. There is only one taxi in the whole Dehradun. He mused, okay, and he पूरे देहरादून में सिर्फ एक ही टैक्सी थी. And Uncle Ken has, I am sure there is, said Granny, but where does it get you? The first place, you don't have a taxi, and in the second place, you can't drive. I can soon learn. ठीक है. I can soon learn. There is a driving school in town. ठीक है. He thought that why don't I earn money by running taxi or running car on the roads? But Granny stands for the grandmother of Ruskin Bond. But grandmother replies that you don't know the driving, then how could you? Then the Uncle Ken replied, I will learn driving by going a driving school in the town. Okay, and I can use uncle's old car. It's been gathering dust. Okay, and Uncle Ken had his uncle's old car, which was in the garage for years. He was talking about grandfather's vintage Hillman Roadster. ठीक है. Ruskin Bond's grandfather is Uncle Ken, and Uncle Ken's grandfather has a vintage Hillman Roadster car. Okay, and Uncle Ken decided to take it to the road for earning money. Okay, I don't think it will run now, said Granny. Granny says that it was very old, then how could it run? But of course it will. It just needs some oiling and greasing. ठीक है. Uncle Ken did some oiling and greasing, and the car will become ready to. So Uncle Ken joined the driver, ready to go on the road, and Uncle Ken joined the driving school. There was very regular going for his lesson for an hour in the evening. Granny paid the fee. After a month, Uncle Ken announced. ठीक है. Uncle Ken joined the driving school, and Granny paid the fees for that school. Uncle Ken announced that he could drive that, and he taking the Roadster for a trial run. अब Uncle Ken decided that he become able to drive on road, and he was going to take that Hillman Roadster vintage car on the road. Okay, now what happens? Let's see. You haven't got license yet, said Granny. Granny said that you don't have the driving license. Oh, then the grandfather replies, Uncle Ken replies, oh, I won't take her that far. मैं उस कार को मैं बहुत दूर नहीं ले जाऊंगा. Just down the road and come back. Okay, बस I take it to the road and come back soon. Okay, I'm not taking it. He spent all morning cleaning up the car. Granny gave him money for a can of petrol. ठीक है? And Granny gave him money for purchasing a can of petrol. After tea, Uncle Ken said, come along, Ruskin. Uncle was ready to take that car on the road, and he said, come along, Ruskin. He asked Ruskin to hop in or sit in the car. Ruskin bring Mohan, Ruskin's friend, along too, and they were going with Uncle Ken for a drive. Now don't go too fast, Ken, said Granny. Granny said, Ken, don't go too fast. You are not used car yet. तुमने अभी तक कार यूज नहीं की है. That's why don't drive that car too fast. Uncle Ken nodded. ठीक है? And he was feeling pleased with himself. Driving through the gate, he ran over crazy Miss Milliner. Some people were watching him. That rickshaw wheel of the roadster. He went indoors again. Uncle Ken drove straight and fast, tootling the horn without a break. And the end of the road there was a roundabout, and they have to take a turn. But Uncle, well, we will turn here, said Uncle Ken, and then drive back again. Okay? Uncle Ken said that we will go to that roundabout and come back. He turned the steering, and he began going around the roundabout. But the steering wheel don't turn. He turned the steering, but the steering doesn't turn, and he can't make a round with the car. Okay, and then the car go and stuck to the. Instead of going round, we took right turn and kept going straight on, and straight through the Maharaja of Jaipur's garden wall. And the car goes and stuck to them through the Maharaja of Jaipur's garden wall. Then what happens? Let's see. Uncle Ken stuck the car to the Maharaja's garden wall. It was single brick wall, and roadster knocked it and emerged other without damage. Okay. Then what happens? Maharaja running across the grass come the Maharaja himself. Okay, and the Maharaja come running, and his secretaries and assistants also flanked or come with him. When he saw that the Uncle Ken at the wheel, when Maharaja saw that the Uncle Ken at the wheel, the Maharaja beamed with pleasure. Okay, Maharaja beamed with pleasure. What do you mean by beamed with pleasure? Expressed great happiness. Okay, Maharaja was become very happy. Delighted to see you, old chap. Maharaja was very decent man. He delighted to see. He said, delighted to see you, old chap. Jolly decent for you to drop in again. What about the game of tennis? Okay, and this is an event taken from, slightly abridged and adapted from the Book of Humor by Ruskin Bond. Okay, in this story we see that the Uncle Ken was very much excited for running the car, the vintage car. The Granny always wants to make aware him about the car, but he was very overconfident, and because of his overconfidence, he go and stuck to the wall of Jaipur, Maharaja's Jaipur garden wall. Okay, this is the story. Now, students, you are able to do the question answers of this story, which was given the next. Okay, thank you.